Want to travel the world without breaking the bank? Tired of spending hours searching for the cheapest flights? Stick around, because I'm about to show you how to score unbeatable flight deals with a secret weapon every savvy traveler needs. Imagine jetting off to Paris, Bali, or New York for a fraction of the cost. With the right travel hacks, you can unlock hidden deals, dodge overpriced tickets, and travel smarter. The Travel Hackers Toolkit is your go-to resource for mastering the art of finding cheap flights, using insider tricks like hidden city ticketing, price alerts, and multi-city search hacks that airlines don't want you to know about. Why pay full price when you can save hundreds? The Travel Hackers Toolkit shows you exactly how to find the best deals, whether it's last-minute getaways or planned adventures. It's packed with proven strategies that have helped thousands of travelers fly cheaper, faster, and stress-free. Plus, it's so easy to use, you'll be booking dream trips in minutes. Ready to start saving on your next flight? Click the first link in the description below and grab the Travel Hackers Toolkit now. It's your ticket to the best travel hacks and jaw-dropping flight deals. Don't miss out. Oh, please hit the like and subscribe buttons to help us to continue bringing you more travel tips to keep your wallet happy and travel experience pleasant. And do not forget to visit the top link in the description below to check out the Travel Hackers Toolkit.